In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund for your Uber trip or Uber Eats order. Whether you've had an issue with your ride or your food delivery, knowing how to request a refund can save you both time and stress. First, let's start off with the Uber app. Open your Uber app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in. At the bottom of your home screen, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the account icon, which is usually represented by a figure or your profile photo. This will take you to your account page. Once you're there, you'll want to find and select Trips. This section houses a history of your recent rides or deliveries. Browse through your trip history and select the trip or delivery you want to request a refund for. Tap on it to open the trip details. On this page, you'll see a list of options. Look for the option labeled Help. This option will guide you to a list of common issues associated with your trip or order. The choices presented to you will depend on whether you're dealing with a ride or a delivery, so make sure to select the one that best describes your situation. For example, if your driver took a longer route and this caused your Uber ride fare to be higher than expected, select an option like Review My Fare or Fees. For Uber Eats, you might select Missing Items or Order Never Arrived. Explain your issue clearly and concisely in the text box provided. It's important to provide as much relevant detail as possible here to help Uber's support team understand the issue. Include things like if your order was incorrectly prepared or if there was a significant delay. After you've provided the necessary information, tap Submit or Send to send off your refund request to Uber's customer service. Once submitted, it usually takes a few days for Uber to review your refund request. You should receive a notification in your app or via email with the outcome of your request. Make sure to keep an eye out for this response so you can stay updated. If for some reason the response doesn't address your issue satisfactorily, you might want to follow up or escalate the issue through Uber's support channels or their social media accounts where they are often quite responsive. Keeping your communication polite and detailed increases the chances of a favorable outcome. Remember, Uber's policy on refunds will vary depending on the specific situation and the guidelines in your region, so it's good to familiarize yourself with any terms that might apply. That wraps it up. Now you're better equipped to navigate any hiccups with your Uber rides or Eats deliveries. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in the future.